welcome back to my channel, Ashton Drake Live. Happy Friday, everybody. I'm actually here with baby Kassie. Yeah, my mom is so sweet. She got me a couple summer outfits. They're so adorable. Like I said, I just love it from my heart. I don't know what to do without her. No, it was two in a pack, on a little hanger. But she got me, yeah, two little outfits for the summertime, and the sizes are, 3 to 6. And I said, as before, Kassie is the biggest baby I have. Yeah, she's like 20 inches long, 20 something. Yes, you are, baby Kassie. As you've seen, it is cold outside, so I want to hurry up and just see if they fit and put her in something warm. Yes. But no, it comes with little diaper cover. How cute. And this little summer top that goes with it. It's Minnie Mouse. So adorable. Yeah, it's Minnie Mouse. But what size it is, I figured I'll try it on Kassie. These two, because yeah, she's the biggest baby I have. I won't say biggest, but the longest. And this is, yeah, Minnie Mouse as well. This one. And it comes with the little headband. That one. So no, I want to try on these couple outfits on baby Kassie and see if they fit. And I did grab, because the sun is keep on coming. It actually looks like rain. It does. But I got a little white. This is after I see they fit or not. A little white headband. And I got this little pink long sleeve little, winter outfit for baby Kassie after I see they fit. Okay, let's go to make sure you can see baby Kassie. Huh. Okay, Grandma, I got these couple outfits I want to try on you, okay? I know. No, baby Kassie. I know, baby Kassie. Baby Kassie is so cute. Let's see, got your other leg and your jammies. Okay, we got her jammies off. I just changed the diaper not too long ago, but I will check. Can Mommy check your diaper? No, it's not even wet. Like I said, I just changed it. Now I am going to keep the onesie on. But let's try on these summer little outfits. Now does, button down so you can change the diaper. Okay, you ready? So no, in the summertime, of course, you're not going to have the onesie on. So that is going to look, probably a little funny because with the onesie still on. I know the red little outfit is tank top. Yes, it is, baby Kassie. Yes. Yeah, see, in the summertime, she won't be wearing a onesie. But looks like it'll fit. Yes, it does. Oh. So, no, she's set for the headband's a little big, but doesn't she look cute? Again, in the summertime, she won't be wearing the onesie. I just want to see how, if it's going to work for baby Kassie or not. But it looks so cute. Yes, it looks so cute. It works. Yeah. So give that a thumbs up for this outfit. Let me know if if you think they are cute, these two little outfits. They are adorable. Okay, so we know this one fits and will work. Yeah, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Yeah, it's chilly out today. Yeah, the sun keeps coming and going, and Mommy's unbuttoning your onesie. That's what to stay on. There we go. Yeah, now I know that this one fits. Yeah, everything that is a little big, I always try on baby Kassie. Cause yeah, out of the girls, she's the biggest, I won't say biggest, but the longest baby I have. Yeah, and this is just like a diaper cover. Again, in the summertime, she won't be wearing the onesie. This is just seeing if it's going to fit and work. Cause Grandma got him, huh? Yeah, my mom is so nice and sweet. She gets all kinds of little outfits and stuff they need. Look, this actually worked for the 4th of July if you think about it. Red, and the Mickey Mouse is wearing blue and white. So this would be perfect for the 4th of July. Again, this is a tank top, little top. So the onesie, yeah. Just picture it with the onesie off, cause it's just picture it like when we're back in the hot heat. I do want to hurry up though, get her something warm on. It is cold today. Like I said, it's like we're supposed to be getting rain. Okay. It worked! Yeah! How does she look? Yeah, this would look cute for the 4th. It would. Again, in the summertime, she won't be wearing the onesie or the socks. Yes, I know. She's just taking over. What are you doing, baby Kassie? You being a good girl? Can we put on something warm on now? Now that I know that they fit and they will work. Just put on something warm on her. Yeah, as you see, yeah, the sun is keep on coming and going, and we're supposed to be getting rain. We are. Okay, so I know that it'll work. Yeah, this picture, the onesie, not on. Because, yeah, this is a little tank top, little outfit. But let's get this little warm winter outfit and put on you. Yeah, I knew I wanted to try this on. Baby Kassie. You stopped queuing? Yeah, I want to try them on before the hot gets there again. I wanted to try them on before that came. I'm not in a hurry though. I prefer the cold and the hot heat anytime. Yeah, my mom's the same way. We prefer the cold. Oh, there's your cute doggy. Yeah, mommy just fixing you up and nice and warm now. Here, just put on a white. I know, baby Kassie. Baby Kassie. Mommy knows. Now she's all good now. Yeah, I'm happy that these fit and they would work. Baby Kassie. Yeah, the 3 to 6. Since they have that 3 in there, I wanted to check, and she is the biggest. Again, I can't say biggest, the longest baby I have. So I always, go on, and this one seriously will work for the 4th. There's blue in, Minnie Mouse, and it's red, and there's blue in the little outfit she has on. See right there? So that would definitely work. Even this one right here will work for the 4th. I could. There's red, white, and blue. So those, maybe Carolyn. I'll try it. One on for the 4th. Huh? Yeah. Look at the mommy. Look at the mommy, little girls. Well, here she is. She's just she's a good girl today, huh? Oh, I see a little sun popping through. Yeah, it just keeps on going. Keep, leaving and coming, leaving and coming. It's just, I don't know what to do, basically, today. So we're just keeping it, we're supposed to get rain again. We're having a winter storm coming. Not complaining. I'm not. I'm loving it. I can't wait till it comes. But no, I just wanted to try on this couple outfits, see if they fit her. And those are perfect for the 4th. They have the red, white, and blue, both outfits. Huh. You stop queuing. Yeah. But no, I guess let's go from here though. Yeah, I just want to try on those couple outfits and see if they'll work. It's gonna work for the summertime. Yeah, just picture the onesie off, because she wouldn't be wearing the onesie when it's, you know, 100 something degrees outside. Baby Cassie. No, it'd be too hot for the onesie. Yeah, she will want this probably for bedtime, but for still in the day, with like those outfits, no. But no, yeah, I guess let's go from here though. No, like this video, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video when it gets uploaded. If you want, share any of the videos, I don't mind. But yeah, I guess I go from here. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that bell. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye.